Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an E43 error code and you're wondering what is this error code and how can I get rid of it. So first things first, the E43 error code is error with the locking mechanism. So the machine is detecting an error with the locking mechanism. So like all of these errors, this can sort of be happening for one of two reasons. One, there's a problem with the lock. Two, there's a problem with either the sensor or the wiring or the control board, something related to the lock but not the lock itself. So if it's anything like that, like the wiring, control board, sensors inside the guts of the machine, you're probably better off calling a technician. But before you do that, you want to check and see if we can make sure that the mechanics of the lock are all working fine. And to do that, we're going to come in here, we're going to look inside here, and we're just going to make sure that there's no buildup of lint or debris or gunk or anything like that, or grease. And make sure there's no pieces that we can see in there that are broken or look like they're out of line or not working properly. And same thing on the latch. Just make sure that there's no buildup of grease or lime or anything like that. They could be preventing the lock from functioning mechanically. It might be as simple as cleaning it off. It might be something broken in there and you'll need to replace the locking mechanism. But anyways, that way, if we can rule out the mechanics of it, we should be able to get it working again properly. So anyways, hope this video helps you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.